I've worked in the creative industries for over 20 years now and feel like everything I've done has led to Sum.Place. So it's an absolute joy to work here every day doing the work that we do. So we're building something really special.
I've been working in the arts for getting on for 20 years now, and I think really because of the work that we do and the work that we do in the public realm, you know, it's a pleasure to be working in these on these sorts of projects.
Sum.Place is an art production practice. We are based here in North Shields, working across the UK, co-creating public art installations that brings moments of joy to people's lives. When we saw the brief for Berwick, we read it and immediately thought this is one for us. We were really inspired by it. It was the coastal location, the heritage of the town, and reading the sort of background, the hospital, what it meant to the community. We had an idea straight away, and I think when you get that idea and you run with it, you kind of put your heart and soul into responding to the brief. So we were really excited.
The concept for this piece is based on nature and the coastal location of the site at the hospital, and we're trying to make it relevant to some of the industries that were found on the Tweed. What we're going to create within the atrium is a suspended shoal of around about 2,000 fish made from recycled plastic sourced directly from the NHS, and we're looking to represent the kind of fishing industry of Berwick by creating this shoal of salmon in all different shapes and sizes, and they will undulate their way through the atrium in the shape of the River Tweed.
So initially we will be organising drop-in sessions in the community where we hope to meet as many people as possible and hear their stories about Berwick and their experiences and their hopes for the artwork. And within these sessions, people will be able to learn more about the project, meet the artist, and take part in a creative art making session that will be to do with the fishing heritage of Berwick. So really central part to the project.